IMS2 is an available option for your iSCAN device. It combines multiple European OE software interfaces into the iSCAN VCI. This is an option for shops that want to manage their own OE subscriptions. IMS2 eliminates the need to purchase each specific OE interface, saving thousands of dollars. That means instead of having separate VCIs or interfaces for BMW, VW Audi, Jaguar Land Rover, Mercedes, Porsche, and Volvo, they are all included with the IMS2 option. This option allows you to use OE software and your iSCAN device as the OE-level VCI, removing the need to source each specific interface. For example, Bosch and Actia manufacture multiple OE VCIs that look similar but are not compatible across different vehicle makes. Even though the JLR interface looks a lot like the Mercedes-Benz interface, they are not interchangeable. J2534, an SAE communication protocol standard, has been adopted differently by each vehicle manufacturer. In general, the European vehicle manufacturers have not widely adopted the J2534 standard, and thus the specific OE VCI is required to be used with OE software to retain full functionality. J2534 is integrated into every iSCAN device. While J25 works well with OE software for makes such as Toyota, Honda, GM, and others, it has limitations, and in most cases is not well adopted for European vehicle makes. But you're going to need both, IMS2 for European VCI protocols and J2534 for most Asian and domestic vehicles. With an OE software subscription, your laptop, and your iSCAN with IMS2 and J2534, you can program, code, and diagnose just like the dealer without owning a pile of vehicle interfaces. Get your iSCAN NX today.